Okay, let's get the ball rolling. Okay, so we are solving problems from control systems. The first chapter is transfer function. Okay, so let's start with one of the easiest problem. So let's say this is given. Okay, so RS is the input and your CS is the output. GS is the forward gain, right? Forward path gain, and HS is the feedback path gain, right? So it is asked to find the transfer function. So transfer function is nothing but CS by RS, right? This is we are asked to find out, and GS is given as right. So this is the question, and we are asked to find the transfer function. Now the transfer function formula is forward path gain, which is GS, divided by 1 minus open loop gain. Okay, open loop gain means if you disconnect this, what is the gain through in this loop, right? Which is GS into HS, and since it's going towards the negative port, so it will become negative of GS into HS, right? So it will become G by 1 plus GH. Okay, I'm removing the S for simplicity. So this is the formula for transfer function. Now you just plug it in here to get the answer, right? Which is S plus 1 divided by S into S plus 2, or divided by 1 plus S plus 3, S plus 4 into S plus 1, S into S plus 2. Right? Now all you need to do is simplify this to get the answer. So this is basically the answer, right?